Hey guys, if you are into the market for a foldable phone or you are just curious to see what all the hype is about, our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 vs Z Flip 3 comparison video is here to help. The Z Flip 3 comes with a 6.7-inch 120Hz main display and the Z Fold 3 comes with 7.6-inch 120Hz main display. The Z Flip 3 have 1.9-inch cover display while the Z Fold 3 have 6.2-inch 120Hz secondary display. Both comes with Snapdragon 888 processor. The Z Fold 3 wobbles while you keep it on a flat desk. The Z Flip 3 have 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory, while the Z Fold 3 have 12GB RAM and 256GB internal memory. Samsung have upped the durability on both the phones thanks to a stronger armor aluminum casing, a display that's up to 80% more durable. Both have IPX8 water resistance and should survive both splashes and rain. The Z Flip 3 have different color options like cream, green, lavender and phantom black, while the Z Fold 3 comes with phantom black, phantom green and phantom silver. The secondary display of the Z Flip 3 is protected by a new Corning Gorilla Glass DX, while the Z Fold 3 comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The Z Flip 3 have 3300 mAh battery, while the Z Fold 3 have 4400 mAh battery. The Z Fold 3 is the only foldable that comes with an under-display camera, and also it supports S Pen, while the Z Flip 3 doesn't. But for those who are using these smartphones with dark mode enabled all the time, you can always see the under-display camera. The Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 comes with a triple camera system where we have 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultrawide lens with a 123-degree field of view, and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera with OIS. While the Z Flip 3 comes with a dual camera system where we have 12 megapixel main camera and a 12 megapixel ultrawide lens with a 123-degree field of view. The Z Flip 3 comes with a 10 megapixel front camera, while the Z Fold 3 comes with a 10 megapixel front camera and also a 4 megapixel under-display camera. In the Fold 3, when we open settings, we have the main elements on the left and the expanded view on the right. When we swipe down from the Z Flip 3 cover screen, we can adjust the brightness levels and also change the profile settings from mute to silent. When we swipe from left to right, nothing happens. But when we swipe from right to left, it will open all the widgets. First we have the music player, and after that we have the alarm. Then we have the voice recorder, the timer, the calendar, and finally the weather. After that we have the option to add any more widgets if you want. From the widgets, when we go to the most left, we can find the notifications. Here you can access the notifications by just tapping them. You can either clear the notification or open the app. For opening the app, you just need to flip the device. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is very slim and long, while the Z Flip 3 comes with the dimensions of a normal smartphone. If you want a tablet and a smartphone integrated in the same device, you can go for the Z Fold 3. But if you want a smartphone that is very compact, then you can go for the Z Flip 3. The Z Flip 3 comes at a price of 85,000, while the Z Fold 3 comes at a price of 1.5 lakhs. And comparing with the price of the S21 Ultra, it comes between these two. The Z Flip 3 is very compact that you barely feel the foldable in your pocket. Now let's move on to the side-to-side comparison video. Now this is how we unfold and unflip the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Now let's compare both of its sizes. For that, let me just fold the Z Fold 3. At the first glance, you can find out that the Z Flip 3 is much wider than the Z Fold 3. Even though the width of the Z Flip 3 is similar to a normal smartphone, while the Z Fold 3 is thinner and easy to hold. Now comparing the length of the Z Flip 3 and the Z Fold 3, the Z Flip 3 is a little bit longer than the Z Fold 3. For both the smartphones, the fingerprint reader is integrated in the power button, and both have the SIM card tray on the left and the power button and volume rocker on the right. Both have similar type of arrangement on the bottom and top, while the Z Flip 3 doesn't have a speaker on the top. Now let's compare the display quality on both these phones by playing a video on YouTube. For that, let's search our channel Fusion Studios on YouTube. And if you are not yet a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and click the bell button to all to get our latest updates. Now let's find a video and play the same video on both phones at the same time. Now let's rotate both the phones to landscape mode to view the video. Now this is how it looks like when you play the video on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. And let's change the brightness to maximum on both the phones. Now let's zoom the video and fill the screen to see how it looks on both the smartphones. The display of both the phones looks stunning while watching a video. We get great audio quality on both the phones. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is much louder as it have dual speaker system. Now let's unfold the Galaxy Z Fold 3 to get a much wider view. This video is sponsored by Venu's Digital Arcade. So if you want to book the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 or the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, make sure you contact them from the details given in the description box below. The Z Fold 3 looks quite stunning with a much larger display. As the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the only foldable to support the S Pen and the S Pen Pro, this wider screen allows us to draw or write anything easily. The YouTube interface of the Z Fold 3 looks similar to when you open it on a computer. In the portrait view, we get the video preview on the top and the suggested videos and comments on the bottom. And when we turn to the landscape mode, we get all the comments in the right side. If you open YouTube on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, it looks similar to normal smartphones. So if you want a larger display, go for the Z Fold 3, and if you want a compact smartphone, go for the Z Flip 3. Now let me show you how it looks when you fold the Z Flip 3. So as you can see here, the video preview will be on the top folded part and the comment section will be on the bottom folded part. On the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, when you fold the device while on the camera app, the top folded part will have the camera preview and the bottom folded part will have the camera controls. While on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, when you fold the device while on the camera app, we have the photo preview on the left and the camera preview and the camera controls on the right. On both devices, we have the split screen view where we can use two of the same apps at the same time. For that, first open the app you want and after that, from the edge screen, drag and drop the same app. By this method, you can use two of the same app or two different apps at the same time. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 have an advantage. As it have a larger screen, you can use more than 3 apps at the same time. You can also copy or move the files easily on both devices. You just need to select the items, then drag and drop them from one screen to another while in the split screen view. Now let's check the camera comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. First, we have the shot taken from the under-display camera of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. This shot is taken from the 10 MP front camera from the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. This is a portrait mode shot taken from the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. Now that's all for the comparison video of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. And before concluding the video, let me introduce you to the Venu's Digital Arcade. They have different outlets at Mannuthi, Westford, Chavakkad, Irinjalakuda, Padakkancherry, etc. Currently we reach their shop at Westford, Thrissur. They have different smartphone brands like Apple, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, MI, etc. Not just smartphones, they also have tablets and computers available there. They provide smartphone accessories like cases, smartwatch, earbuds, etc. and also provide other electronic appliances like televisions, air conditioners, washing machines, refrigerators, etc. and have different types of kitchen appliances. So thank you for watching the video guys. Hit the like button and comment your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you are not yet a subscriber, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to all to get our latest updates.